Hey Mike, this is Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I'm looking at your website and I noticed a few things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website and obviously more revenue to your business. And there's three ways that we can do this with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images, and it's more information for our customers when we want around 1,500 words minimum on our homepage. And we want to put those, uh, and it helps us put these higher volume keyword searches in there. And what we want to do with that is we want to make sure it's bolded and highlighted. For instance, house cleaning companies in Shreveport, Louisiana, um, window cleaning company. We want to make sure it's got the location that we're servicing in front of or behind the keyword, because if not, it's not really helping us much. And we also want to make sure that when we're saving our pictures, we want to save these pictures with those keywords. This just says zero strength window company. Um, Same thing. Want to make sure that all of our pictures are saved with these keywords, and I'll show you some keywords here in a second. Like for this one's roof cleaning. I think there's a roof cleaning in Shreveport. It's got a volume of 100 and a KD of 0. So that's definitely a keyword we'd want to save. Some of these power washing, you know, driveway washing, power washing, something like that. With Shreveport, Bossier, whatever location we're servicing in. And we want to make sure that these keywords that we're using that are bolded and highlighted are also interlinked between our service pages, so that Google recognizes that this word is important to our website and it will be found a lot easier. And this is how you're going to get found in the top 3 on the Google organic search results. So the second way is with backlinks and referring domains, and it's basically anywhere one website refers to another website. And Google looks at this to see if the website is trustworthy. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. And backlinks come from referring domains. So if that page has a higher rating and it's ranked, that referring domain will transfer that authority to your website. So we want to make sure that when we're getting these backlinks, we want to make sure that they are uh, referring domains that transfer authority to your website. If not, you could have 745 backlinks, but you're only getting a 2.8 domain rating. So a lot of these backlinks aren't helping you at all. So first off, I wanted to show you some of your keywords on your website. And for instance, deck cleaning, Shreveport, Louisiana, 90 and 0. So we want to make sure that this word right here is bolded and highlighted and interlinked between our service pages. And we want to save our pictures with this right here. And deck cleaning companies, Shreveport, Louisiana. Here's another one, 102. Cleaning services, Shreveport, Louisiana, 70 and 2. Roof cleaning, here's the one, 100 and 0. So we want to make sure that we save this in the pictures and in our content and interlink it between some of our service pages. Shreveport cleaning service. Anything with the city behind and front of, we want to make sure that these are in our content and saved in our pictures. So you got some pretty good keywords in here. We want to make sure that you are utilizing them the right way. Windows in Shreveport, I'm not sure if that would be one, but you could probably still use it. Shreveport cleaning service, 50 and 3. Louisiana cleaning, 120. So that's got a high KD. We'd have to probably put a guest post with that one. Pressure washing Shreveport, 50 and 1, and so on. So definitely some good keywords in here, and I would just make sure that we're utilizing them the right way. So going to the backlinks, let's go check out some of your backlinks on here. Want to make sure that these backlinks are more quality than quantity, and want to make sure that they're do follows. This right here is a no follow, no follow, no follow. So you're not transferring any authority from the referring domain that you are getting this from to your website. So it's not helping you much at all. You can see right here, you're getting 0 traffic from all these backlinks. So I don't think you're getting any traffic at all from any of these backlinks. So these backlinks aren't really helping you. So we want to go out and make sure that we're getting the right backlinks. Um, and this is going to help you get your domain rating up and your URL up. So let's go check that out one last time. This right here, you got a UR of 28 with a DR of 2.8. So we want to make sure this is a 1-to-1 ratio. So if this was a 28, your website would be just booming. It'd be a healthy website. Google trusts it, and you guys would be ranked in the top 3 of the organic search results, and you would see a lot more traffic to your website. You're obviously only getting 6 right now. So the third way is with citations, and it's basically anywhere your business name or number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have of getting ranked in the GMB. Here, you guys, this is a GMB right here, and we want to make sure that you know we're up here in the top 3, and that's going to help you guys get found a lot easier. So let's check out your GMB. And this GMB is a pretty basic GMB. We need to make sure that this is optimized also. You want around 300 to 500 words of content in here. You want it to be optimized with those keywords, the highest volume keywords that we can find. We want to make sure that we got plenty of pictures in here, and we want to make sure that those pictures are optimized also. We want to have your website on here. You don't have a website on here. And we also want to make sure that you are running a campaign for post. And we want to have about 3 to 5 posts a week, preferably. And we could set it up for a 6-month campaign where 3 to 5 posts every week. And what this does is this is basically your social profile for Google, and it's going to help you. Google's going to see that your profile is being used a lot. It's being updated every day, and it's just going to rank your GMB to the top. And this is where about 70% of all your calls are going to come from anyways. People are lazy, and they're going to click on the first thing they see. So if we can get you to the top, you're definitely going to get found. And this is obviously an ad right here that I'm clicking on. That's why you're at the top. So that's cool. I see that you're running ads. We definitely do Google Ads, and we have a really good program that uses Google Ads, and so you can get the most out of your money. But we also want to make sure that your GMB is optimized so that when people come to it, they can go check out your website and so forth. So with that being said, man, I hope this helps. There's you got a pretty good website. Looks like you just kind of need to optimize it, add a little things to it, and a lot of the SEO is the most important thing. It's not just how good your website looks. So make sure that we're getting that taken care of, and you probably see a lot more revenue coming through the doors. And so I hope this helps, man. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email. I'd love to sit down with you guys and show you what I can do for you. But other than that, I appreciate you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks.